name is Meher. So from what I entered this class on the first day to what I am exiting today is a complete change. I was not so much into training. For me, I thought am I doing the right thing? But this has completely changed my mindset. Dr. Sanjeev has done a fantastic job in actually taking us through the entire 4 days module. I am now confident that I could go back and really apply this at my workplace. However, I look forward to many such courses because I know this is just the beginning, and if under his guidance, we would have many such courses where we could really excel ourselves. So I really thank ACT and Dr. Sanjeev tremendously. Thank you very much for these fantabulous 4 days of learning. Thank you.
If you find the video helpful, please share with your friends after hitting the like button. Remember to subscribe to our channel for regular updates.